Today we're going to take a look at Neal'S Creekhouse right here in Murrell's Inlet.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and that's right, we're down here in beautiful Murrells Inlet, South Carolina at Neal'S Creekhouse. They just opened up 3 weeks ago and we're going to check it out. Neal'S Creekhouse.
Low tide, high spirits. Located right here on 17 in Murrell's Inlet.
Look at that paddle parade on Sunday at 2 p.m. It's a
paddle
happy
parade.
Easter paddle parade. That would be fun.
Happy Easter. So at the front right here, you can get the golf cart and the motorcycle parking only, which there's a couple of bikes here already. So they got these, or this stage that actually is mobile. Pull the wheels down and slide it anywhere you want to. The band can play in different areas of Neal'S Creekhouse. And they got several of these big chairs here you can sit in for photo ops. They got one at the front.
So we're out here at Neal'S Creekhouse. It newly opened about 3 weeks ago. They have indoor and outdoor seating and a beautiful view. Look at this. Much different than the one at Surfside that you'll see. The menu is very similar to Neal and Pam's. Alrighty. And beatbox, pull your head back one more time. Okay, and just to let you know that she said, you can see right there, pointed at beatbox, the hat trick is normally the soup of the day, which today is tomato basil with bacon and cheese, grilled cheese sandwich. That sounds delicious.
Heck
but
yeah.
Maybe the kids will get it. And we're here with our friends and our children. Hey! And we did a rough game, which we beat the boys last night in the bowling. Yay! The special hat trick, there you go, is the soup, the bacon grilled cheese, and the salad. And what I thought was a Greek salad, it was a creek house salad. My son got the mahi fish, what is that? Brendan, what'd you get?
Mahi nuggets.
Mahi nuggets. Hal got the delicious chicken wings. Julie went with the grilled cheese and french fries, and Brady Pop went with that delicious hamburger salad.
And I went with the hamburger steak plate.
Round peg in a square. All right, with french fries, baked potato, or?
It's topped with grilled onions, served with french fries and a Texas toast. It's the hamburger steak plate.
Well, there you have it. That was a look at Neal'S Creekhouse right here in Murrell's Inlet. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did making it. Make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. All right, we'll see you in the next video. And as always, keep beaching.
Are we supposed to wave or something?
Yep, now open it. Do the opening.
Wait.
Somebody should have said, let's go check it out. Okay, and just to let you know that she said, what was it, the trick hat?
The hat trick.
So if you can see right there, hat special.
Hat trick.
What is that? Hat trick, the special hat trick. Yeah, but I said the wrong thing. And there you go, the hat trick.